Hi, welcome to my new channel. I have created this channel for kids. So all the videos posted on this channel will be meant for kids. Let us start by learning Scratch programming. Scratch software has become well developed, interesting and engaging for kids to learn it as their first programming language. Scratch is a block-based programming environment. It is made available by MIT California. You can download the Scratch installer from their website and install it on your computer. There is also an online version of their programming environment that can be started in the browser on their website. The current version of Scratch is Scratch 3. It creates a shortcut as Scratch Desktop. When you save a Scratch file, it will save it with an extension SB3. Scratch does not auto-save or save over the previously saved file name. You need to save it manually from time to time. You may decide to save it over existing file or give it an incremental number so that it saves as versions of your Scratch project. So that you can open a previous version if something goes wrong in the current version.
You need to create an account on the Scratch website so that you can access all the features of their online Scratch editor. It also allows you to look into the code of the projects that other people have made and posted it on the Scratch website. They also let you download the Scratch project on your computer. A downloaded file is in SB3 format. You can open this file in the Scratch editor that you have installed on your computer. You can now study the code, modify it and learn how Scratch projects are made. I will show you how to get started with your first project in Scratch and then explain different ways the Scratch projects can be programmed to make games, slideshows, animations and so on. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of the new videos. Bye, and see you soon.
Bye-bye, and wait for our next video.